Ay, abay. Sir. Sir. Jun Mahar, paano? Yeah, Sir JB Malonzo. Ang lodi ng bayan.
I think Tita Matet is now sleeping, right?
Yeah.
Watch you guys again in
Maybe-
November.
maybe,
You will be back here in
I want
November.
maybe like for like 2 hours. But maybe you can watch it.
Yes, this JB Malonzo is really amazed.
Signature. Just keep playing hard, and yeah, hopefully we get to see some of you guys at the next time we come to Hong Kong. So yeah, see you guys. Hong Kong.
Yeah, Hong Kong. We are in Hong Kong. Marinduqueño gala. Marinduqueño gala.
Shout out Marinduqueño
Gala.
So, yeah, thank you.
Okay.
That's why he's standing here.
Subscribe everybody to my man's channel right here. We're looking out.
Thank you very much, Sir Dwight. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hello, unang-una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat tayo sa team ng Gilas na after the game kagabi and then kaninang madaling araw is na-meet natin sila sa lobby ng hotel na tinutuloyan nila dito sa Hong Kong, and then napaka-accommodating nila. Maraming salamat, especially kay Jamie Malonzo and also her cousin here in Hong Kong. Maraming salamat. Siya yung naging daan na na-meet natin siya, and of course the whole team ng Gilas Pilipinas. To Dwight Ramos, thank you for signing, and also John Mar Fajardo, kay Soto, CJ Perez, Calvin Octama, and then AJ Edo. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, at maraming salamat din sa mga nanood ng ating video na in-upload natin sa ating YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and then especially siyempre kay Coach Tim Con. Thank you very much, Coach Tim Con, at sa buong Gilas Team Pilipinas na namit namin dito sa Hong Kong. Maraming salamat, guys. God bless you guys. Good luck to your next game this coming February 25 in Philippines. And also maraming salamat po sa mga new subscriber natin sa ating channel. Please subscribe our channel, Marinduqueño Gala. Thank you very much, guys. God bless.